If you are planning to upgrade your laptop or PC RAM, you should know what is the maximum RAM support capacity of your computer. Let's suppose you have 8 GB RAM in your computer and you want to upgrade it to 12 GB. You should know whether your computer can support 12 GB RAM or not. So in this video I will tell you two things. First, how to check maximum RAM support capacity, and second, how many slots are there for RAM on your computer motherboard. So make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To check maximum RAM support capacity of your computer, first of all you have to open command prompt. Click on this search box and then type CMD. You will see command prompt here. Click on it. And then you have to type a very simple command here. You have to type WMIC space MEM physical space get space max capacity. Once you have typed this command, just hit enter and you will find maximum RAM support capacity of your computer here. You can see max capacity 33554432. This is in KB. You can convert it into GB. So let me convert. As you can see, my computer can support maximum 33 GB of RAM. Currently I have 16 GB RAM in my computer and I can easily upgrade up to 32 GB. So this is how you can check maximum RAM support capacity of your computer. If you want to check how many slots are there for RAM on your computer motherboard, this is also very easy and simple. What you have to do, you have to right click on this taskbar, then click on task manager. On this task manager page, go to performance. And here you can see I have 16 GB RAM on my computer, and here you will find one option called slots used 1 of 2. 1 of 2, that means I have 2 slots on my motherboard. If you have 1 slot on your motherboard, you will see 1 of 1. So this is how you can check maximum RAM support capacity of your computer, as well as how many slots are there for RAM on your computer motherboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.